Satyam Shivam Sundaram. Please say. और एक बार. और एक बार. अर्थात, people ask me, Swamiji, why I am living? What is the purpose of my life? हमेशा हमेशा यही खास प्रश्न होती है, आखिर हम क्यों जिंदा है? क्यों खा रहे हैं इडली वड़ा डोसा? क्या जी रहे हैं? क्या इडली वड़ा डोसा खाने के लिए जी रहे हैं क्या? भला इडली वड़ा डोसा खाकर क्या करें? एक पशु और एक मानव के बीच में अंतर क्या है? पशु भी इडली वड़ा डोसा खाती है, हम भी इडली वड़ा डोसा खाते हैं। पशु भी बच्चों को पैदा करते हैं, हम भी बच्चों को पैदा करते हैं। क्या? और एक पशु में भी, एक मानव में भी सत्यम, शिवम और सुंदरम का फर्क है, और फर्क होना ही चाहिए। अगर इंसान में ना ही सत्य है, ना ही शिवम है, ना ही सुंदरता है, तो वो पशु के भांति है, मानव का नहीं है, इंसान के जैसे उभर कर नहीं आया। तो हम कहते हैं, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन एनिमल काइंड एंड ह्यूमन काइंड इज सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम। अंडरस्टैंड? एक तरफ, on one side there is Pashu, there is another side there is Pashupati. What are all the things that are there in the Pashu are there in the Pashupati, like eating, sex, sleeping. These are all common. But what Pashupati has is Satyam. What Pashupati has is Shivam. What Pashupati has is Sundaram. Satyam is truth. जो सदा के लिए है, जो नित्य है, वो सत्य है. That is the definition. Whatever is नित्य, वह सत्य कहा जाता है. जो कुछ भी अनित्य है वो असत्य कहा जाता है. अर्थात सत्य का निर्वचन है नित्य. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस फॉर्म ऑफ द बॉडी इज नॉट नित्य. ना ही पहले एक 70 साल के पहले था, ना ही बाद में रहेगा, बीच में है, बिखर जाएगा. ये जो फॉर्म है ये सच्ची नहीं है. द नेम is not such. We change our names. The name and the form, they change. The body changes, keeps on changing. Whatever is changing is not Satya. Whatever is unchanging, that is Satya. That is the difference. I am in search of truth. I am in search of Satya means I am in search of that which is unchanging. And what is that which is unchanging? Your own self. Your body is changing always. Your mind is changing always. Your buddhi is increasing always. But your Atma is forever same. Atma is actually nothingness coupled with everythingness. That is Atma. Hinduism stresses the everythingness of Atma. Buddhism stresses the nothingness of the Atma. Both are simultaneously, paradoxically true at the same time. Hinduism is one aspect of truth. Buddhism is the another aspect of truth, which stresses on emptiness, which stresses on nothingness. Whereas Hinduism stresses on everythingness. And Atma is simultaneously nothing, and everything, and everything. And this is the truth. If you perceive Atma as only nothing, you are half truth. If you perceive Atma only as everything, Satchidananda Swarupa, again that is half truth. Both put together are the full truth, my dear friends. Remember that point. No Hindu will be complete without Buddha, and no Buddha will be complete without Hindu. Understand? And pyramid master means Hinduism and Buddhism put together like this, two hands. So this is in pyramid master. जो ऐसा कहिए, बुद्धिज्म, हिंदुइज्म, पिरामिडिज्म. बुद्धिज्म, हिंदुइज्म, पिरामिडिज्म. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. That is why we are the happiest people on this earth, because we are Buddhism plus Hinduism put together. Pure Hindus cannot understand us. Pure Buddhists cannot understand us. We are beyond them. We are nothing. And the one side of the coin is Buddhism, the other side of the coin is Hinduism, my dear friends. So, when both the sides of the coin of truth, coin of Shivam, coin of Sundaram, has got Buddhism on one side, Hinduism on one side. Understand? The first thing is Satyam. Then what automatically follows from Satyam is Shivam. Shivam is, as Swamiji said, happiness, joy. Shiva Tandavam, we say. That man dances. Why is dancing? वो उसका सत्य में इतना है, रमता है सत्य में, तो वो तांडव करने लगता है, उसका बॉडी उछल पड़ती है. So that happiness, that joy emanating from the truth is called as Shivam. If there is truth, joy should emanate from the truth. If there is sun, then the rays should come from the sun. Yes? Can you have a sun without the rays emanating from it? Can you have truth without the rays of joy of Shivam emanating from the Satyam? It is not possible. So Satyam automatically means Shivam. And when a small baby laughs, how beautiful it is, that is Sundaram. Okay. When a small baby laughs, that is Sundaram. When a big adult also laughs, it is also Sundaram. What a beautiful laugh. Ha ha ha. One half for Satyam, another half for Shivam, another half for Sundaram. Boliye. Ha ha ha. My dear friends, Satyam comes from three things. Dhyana, Mattu Swadhyaya, Mattu Sajjana Sangatya. That's how you get the Satya, my dear friends. Kevala Dhyana, some percentage of Satya. Kevala Swadhyaya, some percentage of Satya. Kevala Sajjana Sangatya, the rest of the, but putting together 33.3%, 33.3%, 33.4%, these three put together, Dhyana, Mattu Swadhyaya, Mattu Sajjana Sangatya, together they give you the beautiful Satyam. Dhyana means, of course, you should close your eyes and observe your breathing. Make your mind empty. 24 hours are there, every day. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24 hours. What do you do? Do meditation. Coming to my own self, in one of my incarnations, I sat for 200 years, for your kind information. Why don't you sit? Why don't you sit for 200 years? Okay, Baba, 200 days. Okay, Baba, 20 days. Okay, Baba, 2 hours you sit. अरे बूंद 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 मिलकर समंदर 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 तो हो जाएगा ना. तो हम चाहते, see, remember the truth, composition of truth, search for truth is dhyana, mattu swadhyaya, mattu sajjana sangatya. Trijagati sajjana sangati reka bhavati bhavarnava tarane nauka. Trijagati sajjana sangati reka. भवति भवार्णवतरणे नौका कि आदि शंकराचार्य से सज्जन संगति के बारे में कितना कुछ कहा गया, देखिए आप। एंड तपः स्वाध्याय ईश्वर प्रणिधानेन क्रिया योगः। स्वाध्याय, तपः स्वाध्याय ईश्वर प्रणिधानेन क्रिया योगः। स्वाध्याय का कितना महत्व दी गई। एंड व्हाट शुड यू रीड? आई रीड ओनली उपनिषद। I don't care for Bible, Quran, या Buddhist literature, Dhammapada. Yeah, what a beautiful, stupid you are. I don't care for Buddhism. Very, very, very stupid. Swadhyay means you must read all the masters. Every master you should read. Understand? Every master. You must read Jalaluddin Rumi. You should read Khalil Gibran. You should read Michael Naimi. Have you read Swamiji? Then your Swadhyay is perfect. I am Hindu born. I read only Hindu. Hinduism is the best. I am Buddha. I am Dhammapada is the best. I am Muslim. Quran is the best. I am Christian. Bible is the best. चलता नहीं गाड़ी। हम हंस बैठेंगे। वो दिन गए, वो दिन बीत गए। हाँ? वापस नहीं लाया जाता है। तो स्वाध्याय मीन्स, माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, रीडिंग एवरी बुक ऑन द, you should read the red book of communism. You will have many beautiful ideas. From everywhere you should get wonderful ideas. You should read Guru Granth. You should read Chinese philosophy, Lao Tzu, Meng Tzu, Lao Tzu, Chuang Tzu. From Confucius to Mao Zedong, you should read. I have read all the Chinese philosophy. You should read Egyptian Book of the Dead. You should read Tibetan Book of the Dead. How many people have read those books? Good show. I have read all the Upanishads, all the Brahma Sutras, all the Mahabharatas, all the Ramayanas. I have read the whole Quran. I have read all the Sufi masters, Judaism masters, Jew masters. So that is Swadhyay, my dear friend. Tapaha Swadhyaya Ishwar Pranidhanena Kriya Yogaha. So, then Sajjana Sangatya means, if Swadhyay is reading every book, Sajjana Sangatya means listening to every person. Every person. सबका सुनो, फिर अपना करो। हम किसी का भी नहीं सुने, अपना ही कर बैठेंगे, अपना ही दिखावा करेंगे, डांस करेंगे। दूसरों को डांस हम देखेंगे, मेरा डांस तू देख, तेरा डांस मैं नहीं देखूंगा। अरे वाह उस्ताद, गजब के लोग हैं। मेरा फ्लूट तू सुनना है, तेरा सितार मैं नहीं सुनूंगा। अरे वाह। माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये चलता नहीं गाड़ी। सच्चाई का गाड़ी नहीं चलती ऐसी। सच्चाई का गाड़ी का अर्थ है खूब 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 ध्यान करें, खूब 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 स्वाध्याय करें, खूब 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 सज्जन सांगत्य करें। दैट इज द पिरामिड मास्टर, माय डियर फ्रेंड। A pyramid master is a person who is open on all sides, all the 360 degrees. He is open. If you are closed, मैं स्वामी जी का सुनूंगा, ये स्वामी जी का नहीं सुनूंगा, ये स्वामी जी का नहीं सुनूंगा। मुझे एक स्वामी काफ़ी है, बहुत कुछ हो गया इस जन्म के लिए। वो भी सही है थोड़ा थोड़ा, उसमें कोई गलती नहीं है, परंतु हम अनेक अनेक जन्मों के यात्री हैं, और हर एक जन्म में हिंदुइज्म, एक जन्म में बुद्धिज्म, एक जन्म में जुडाइज्म, एक जन्म में स्त्री, एक जन्म में पुरुष, एक जन्म में गरीब, एक जन्म में अमीर। In one lifetime you will be a mother with so many people, so many children. With another lifetime you cannot be a mother. Everybody has to pass through all these phases. Every Atma should become a mother and with so many children, and every Atma should will not become a mother. She has to cry. All the people will have children. She will have to cry. I don't have children. Every person who is here has undergone that life. I'm telling you. And every person who is here has been a mother with 12 children, 22 children. Swami ji ka bhi, mera bhi, sabka. We have all undergone that particular lifetime where we had 22 children. We all have been kings. We all have been papas. We have been Hindu धर्म के मजहब के क्रिश्चियन सबके हैं. बहुनाम जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यते. बहुनाम जन्मनामन्ते ज्ञानवान माम प्रपद्यते. यानी अनेक अनेक जन्म के बाद एक आध ज्ञानी अपने आप को पहचान लेता है कि शिवोहम, सत्योहम, सुंदरोहम. बहूनि जन्मानि व्यतीतानि मे तव चार्जुन तान्यहं वेद सर्वं न त्वं वेत्त परन्तप. हे अर्जुन, आप और मैं अनेक अनेक जन्म तो ले चुके हैं, परंतु आप तो कुछ भी नहीं जानते. मैं सब कुछ जानता हूं, क्योंकि मैंने ध्यान की. आप इसलिए नहीं जानते कि आप ध्यान नहीं किए. फर्क इतना ही है. If you also practice, you will also be able to play like Dr. Sanjay Kingi. But if you don't practice, you will never play like him. You will only worship him. What a great sitar player, what a great sitar player. आप तो ऊपर से आसमान से टपके हैं. ये कोई टपकता नहीं आसमान से. अरे अभ्यास के माध्यम से उभरता है. चंचलम ही मनः कृष्ण प्रमाद्य बलवद दृढ़म तस्याहम निग्रहम मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम. अर्जुन ने कहता है, अरे कृष्ण जी, आप हमेशा कहते हैं ये मन को कंट्रोल कर रहे हो, कंट्रोल. क्या कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं? ये तो हवा के जैसा अनकंट्रोलेबल है. चंचलम ही मनः कृष्ण प्रमाद्य बलवद दृढ़म तस्याह निग्रहम वायोरिव सुदुष्करम. परंतु कृष्ण जी कहते हैं, ठीक है बेटा, तू जो कुछ कहा ठीक ही है. असंशय महाबहो मनो दुर्निग्रहम चलम. अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येन च गृह्यते. By constant practice. And vairagya means in that particular situation you must stay away from the bhoga. Like in the examinations come, annual examinations, then we don't see movies. After the examinations we see every day 2 movies, 3 movies. But during examinations we don't see any movies. That is the temporary vairagya. That is the vairagya Krishna ji is speaking of. Not total vairagya, stupid. He is not stupid like that. Is Krishna stupid? Anybody will say? If he says total vairagya, he is really stupid. During examination time, vairagya is required. After examination, vaibhoga is required. You understand? So, पतंजलि ने कह चुके हैं, योग चित्तवृत्ति निरोधः, अभ्यास वैराग्याभ्याम तन्निरोधः. Right? So, my dear friends, अरे बाबा खूब ध्यान करें, खूब ध्यान करें, खूब ध्यान करें, खूब स्वाध्याय करें, खूब सज्जन संगत. ध्यान से आत्मा में शक्ति आ जाती है. स्वाध्याय से में बुद्धि में विकास होगा, और सज्जन संगत से हृदय का विशालता पाएंगे आप. जो दूसरों का सुनता नहीं, वो उसका हृदय विशाल नहीं है, संकुचित है. हृदय विशालता पाते हैं आप सज्जन संगत से, बुद्धि का विकास पाते हैं आप स्वाध्याय से, और आत्मा की पहचान, अनुभव, अनुभूति, अनुभव शक्ति पाते हैं ध्यान के माध्यम से. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, रिमेंबर दैट पॉइंट. दैट देयरफॉर meditation and reading books and listening to other masters, that is the syllabus for Satyam. Otherwise, half Satyam, half baked, quarter baked रहते हैं. 100% baked नहीं होते हैं. You must become 100% baked. Then only you will leave this chakra of Janma Parampara. Unless you are 100% baked, through 100% meditation, through 100% Swadhyay, through 100% Sajjan Sangatya, you will never go from this Janana Maran Chakra. Shivam. If you have got 70% Satyam with you, your Shivam will be 70%. If you have got 10% Satyam with you, your Shivam will automatically be. It is a natural shadow. Shivam is natural shadow of Satyam. And again, Sundaram is again further shadow of Shivam. You know, if you are always happy, then all the eyes, your ये जो गाल, ये सब इतना अच्छा हो जाता है. You become beautiful. Understand? वो क्रीम लगाने से नहीं होता ब्यूटी, वो शिवम लगाने से होता है.